Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 4.1 question number 4. How many lines can pass through one given point and be two given points, right? Let us take one given point. For example, there is a point here, right? This is a point. This is a point. Now, how many lines can pass through a given point? We can write like this, that is, this is one line. This is one line. This is one line passing through that point. This is one line passing through that point. Right? This is another line passing through that point. Now, in this way, you can draw as many lines as you can. Right? Therefore, you say that infinite number or countless number of lines can be drawn through one given point. Right? Therefore, the answer is infinite number of lines. Infinite. Infinite. Infinite number of lines. Number of lines. Infinite number of lines can pass through one given point. This is the answer of question number A. One given point. Right? This is the solution of question part A. Now part B is how many lines can pass through be two given points. Here there are 2 points given. Suppose one point is here and one point is here. Now if we pass a line through these 2 points, what we are getting, that is only one line can be drawn through two given points. Why? Because you try to draw one line here, it will not pass through the other point, right? If you try to draw line through in this direction, then it is only passing through one point. Therefore, for two given points, how many lines? Only one line can pass through two given points. Only one line can pass through two given points. Two given points. Two given points, right? Okay, this is the solution of question number B, right? How many lines can pass through one given point? Infinite number of lines, or you can say countless number of lines can pass through one given point. In question number B, how many lines can pass through two given points? Only one line can pass through two given points. This is the solution of question number 4.